Hello YouTube, this is the review of the Black Ice Butterfly knife. Got it about $20 at bladeplay.com. And yeah, the latch is a manual latch, not spring. And let me focus the iPhone here. There we go. So it's just, manual little spring. Now, basically, the paint does chip off. As you can see, there's some wear, and this knife does come all black. That's why it's called Black Ice. And I basically got sandpaper and took off the black painting or black finish, and then I left the bottom part black. So yeah, pretty cool. And basically, it has a sawed part at the bottom, or serrated, there we go. And then this part here is smooth. That's basically all there is to this knife. I mean, it's not heavy. I forgot how much it really weighs, but I think this knife is about 4 inches. And then in total length, it's about, hold on, let me measure this. About 8, 9, 10 inches in total length. So this is a good knife for beginners. And basically, yeah. In another video, I will be posting some tricks with this particular knife. So basically, have a nice day. Thank you for watching.